Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to permanently change the mobile resolution. How to permanently change YouTube mobile app resolution. So the first thing you need to do is tap on your profile icon at the bottom where it's you, and then you tap on the gear icon at the top, that is on the top right corner. Then scroll down until you see video quality preference, tap on it, and then you're going to set the preference you want. For mobile network, we have auto, high picture quality, and we have data saver. Also set the same thing for your Wi-Fi. Now please note that the qualities are 240p, 360p, which are all standard definition, 480p also standard definition. Then we have 720p for higher definition. This is the high definition 720p. We have 1080p for a full high definition, 1440p for a quad high definition, also called 2K. We have 2160p for ultra high definition or 4K, and lastly we have for 320p for 8K ultra HD. Now keep in mind that the availability of this resolution depends on the quality in which the video was originally uploaded, so not all videos have all these options. Hope you found this video helpful.